Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Wednesday 18th of May. And right now, you see, yesterday we talked about the tweezer bottom. Yesterday was kind of like sideways movement at best, okay? It was actually giving us some signs of going to the upside and some signs of going to the downside as well. So on the Discord, I did ask, my members, what do they think? Will Bitcoin go to 34,000? Is it yes for the spoon or no for the fork? Now, a lot of people said yes. So no, less people said no. What the hell am I saying? A lot of people said no, and a few people said yes. So most of the people still think that Bitcoin is going to drop to the downside. And yes, in yesterday's video I talked about the tweezer top, and we haven't invalidated the tweezer top. So basically what you see, the fractal, this candlestick you see is almost the same as this candlestick repeating right down over here, and you might see Bitcoin still continue to drop to the downside. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, and then from Friday, if you don't still do anything by tomorrow, I don't think from Friday it's gonna be a very good day. So from Friday, I could expect the downtrend to continue. And by the way, we are still in a downtrend. We are not in an uptrend anymore, okay? So down, sideways, down, potentially sideways, and then down, okay? It's just like that. It's just flowing like a river stream, flowing to the downside. Anyways, I do want to have a look at the USDT dominance, and the dominance actually says that Bitcoin is bearish, okay? So why is Bitcoin bearish, by the way? Because we do have this level that you broke out of, and the dominance is still looking to go potentially to this particular price target. Now I'm going to actually be mentioning this one in every single video, because all you did is made I'm going to bring the brush here. You made one touch, you made the second touch right over there, you made one touch right over here, another one there, one here, and then you broke to the upside, and you are still looking to go to this technical target, which is the 9.79. now once this one gets met, once this target gets met, then we can talk about the possibility of Bitcoin actually bottoming out, and this one stays here. Then we're going to see if it tries to go upside, Bitcoin is going to move to the downside even way more. Do you get my point here? So the USDT is actually inversely proportional to Bitcoin. So when this goes up, Bitcoin goes down. That's what I mean to say, the opposite of one another. So that's going to be an issue for Bitcoin, okay? You still have technical targets to the upside for this one. Now let's go back here, and we have tweezer top as well. So maybe potentially you're not going to be able to cross this 31,571. And that's going to be a big problem, really big problem. But let's dive into a clean chart, and let's talk about the RSI of Bitcoin on a weekly time frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly switch into the weekly, and the weekly time frame seems like it's making a falling wedge on the RSI, and I don't know if many people ever noticed this one, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this data since back in January 2021. So basically look at this levels right over there, and if you look at it like this, it's like Bitcoin is on a verge of making a falling wedge. Do you see that? A nice big falling wedge down here. So you do have some few touches. I'm going to show you the trend line shows that this is the one touch, this is the second touch, third one, and now you potentially have a little bit of room to actually go maybe to the downside by July, and maybe bottom out by July. Maybe in 2 months you might bottom out, and then you start to move to the upside. And who knows, you can continue the whole year in this range until the end of the year, until you don't pop to the upside. Do you get my point? So the RSI is going to serve as a very good indicator for the bottom of Bitcoin actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch this as much as I can, and I want to see the real apex. The apex, the maximum time is until March 2023 that Bitcoin has to bottom out, and somehow, somewhere, it has to come down, maybe go up a little bit, come down, and by the end of the year pop to the upside and start the next rally. So this can give you a little bit of that glass window to know when things are going to be fine and when things are not going to be fine. All right, so if I actually just resume this one to the downside, I think this week on the weekly time frame, the wick down here to the $25,000, Seems like it's gonna be filled and potentially Bitcoin could go even way more down. Remember, this is a bear flag. The technical target is down at the $20,000. It is in play. The only thing is that I think Bitcoin was supposed to stay in this area, 35K and 25K. Maybe trade sideways like this, move sideways, but that's not guaranteed, by the way. It can do anything by the end of the day. You can still have capitulation to go to the downside as well. And that's it for today's update. If you guys want to learn more about trading, do check out my trading course. The link is in the description of the video. Do check the Discord link as well. Click on this Discord link and you're gonna be in for free. Discord is absolutely free, okay? And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.